Alright, yo. We're driving to Sacramento. Let's go. Why am I so hyped?
Day 3.
Yeah, my throat hurts. I ate some food. Eliza finished her important business meeting.
Yeah, I had a work morning.
Yeah.
Ready.
And she said that she would love to live somewhere where it's like city, but there's like a mountain view.
Yeah, it was just amazing to be in suburbia and be able to see snow-capped mountains.
Yeah, it's
It's pretty breathtaking.
Yep. And then she asked me if her hair looked okay, and I said yes.
I just need a little reassurance every now and then. But yeah, we're hyped for Sacramento. We're gonna get me some new shoes, and then we're gonna see my high school friend.
It's
Take
gonna be a good
pictures
day.
for the gram.
I'm glad we like get a city day, honestly.
Yes.
We are famous. We are famously. We are. We are officially.
Famous.
We are officially at Famous Footwear for Eliza's feet. There's a lot of F's.
Hopefully I'll get new ones here so I can replace these.
Yeah.
It's the situation.
Her shoes are still wet. It's been like 3 days. They're still soaking wet.
Idiotic.
Really, she soaked them on purpose so she could buy new shoes.
Totally. Which one?
Of those two?
Aesthetically.
Aesthetically. Which one, guys? Vote here. I swear we've been in here for like an hour, and somehow now I'm buying shoes. They made it out.
Mission
Them
accomplished.
kicks. I will show you mine. I'm not wearing them yet, but it only took us like 2 hours. JK. Alright. There's the new shoes. They are so comfortable. Oh my goodness.
Mine are too. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
And
We're both repping Adidas.
Yeah. And this girl can't get over how nice the weather is here.
It's amazing.
It's like 60 and sunny.
Oh. Palm trees.
Eliza's really hyped to be back in a city.
Cities are such nostalgia. I love cities so much. Medias are the most powerful entity on earth. That is true.
Well, we're getting bubble tea now,
Yep.
and then we're getting a gift for the people that are letting us stay.
Photos. And a bridal shop.
What? I'm not ready for that, Eliza. I'm just kidding. Low key, this is the best bubble tea I've ever had in my life.
This is really good. And I have high standards.
Winter melon milk tea with cheese cream.
Mm-hmm.
That's the color yellow of your car then?
No.
What kind of yellow is it? Tired homies. So we're taking some pics now at the long run. Yeah. Eliza's a photographer. If you don't remember, so it'll be fun. Oh yeah?
Yeah. Can we get another, like, the same?
Yeah, I got you.
Stand over there. Go. Food!
I guess we're getting dinner now. We took some pictures here. Maybe those will be in the video, maybe they won't. Yeah, sure, they're in the video right now. We're gonna go to the house that we're staying at.
Yeah.
So we're going to this guy's house right now.
He bought our book.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah.
I guess they might be making us dinner. Eliza doesn't know. She also doesn't know how much of his family is going to be there. She originally told me it's just going to be us. Then she's like, oh, this guy's coming. I'm like, sweet.
We're
And then she's
staying.
like, oh, maybe
They
his
don't know if
entire
you're coming
family
for
is
dinner.
coming. I'm like, what
I
the
didn't
heck?
know if
Why am I at an Asian family reunion right now? I'm literally not nervous. I have like the impress Asian family thing down. Ask me what I'm doing with my life.
What are you doing with your life?
I am going to be a neurosurgeon. Boom. Instantly impress Asian family.
Oh my god.
JK.
Steven's face.
So this is your gift for for the guy.
Yep.
We're having some parking struggles right now. We parked in front of the wrong house. And then the guy's like, just pull in the driveway. Then a bunch of other people pulled in the driveway in front of us.
Yeah.
And then we're like, we'll just go
Can I
back to the old house. But then the
like
owner
across
of
the
the old
street?
house
Can I just
walked
park
out.
across the street?
Sure, I guess. You're not supposed to. You have to turn around.
Oh,
You
I
have to turn around
can't.
now.
Yeah, I have to turn around. That's true. Let's just turn around. He's just standing there. He's like, what the heck are you guys doing?
I don't know if U-turns are legal in California or not.
We just played a game of Spicy Uno and a game of, what's it, Sandwich, which I won. I won both. And it was you idiot. You actually did it. I can't fill off the chair and you just pushed me back on it.
You guys missed it, so I had to recreate it.
It's a bamboo pole. It looked comfy.
It does look comfy. You're right.
Okay, but we're missing the point. I won both games, which took really, really long to complete.
I was very
They
offended.
were very, very long games.
Yeah.
And I won both.
Also,
Also-
during the dinner table, you can't. You're not strong enough. Fight me. You couldn't push me over. You tried. Why?
Let me
Soak?
relish in my victories.